Hi, we are Lucia Martin, and this documentary is about the conger, which we could see in our visit to the aquarium in A Coruña.
First, we are going to tell you its characteristics. The conga is a fish from the family of the angiopods. It has a long tail, a little oval body with three gills over it, and it is gray. The normal conga size is between 95 to 100 centimeters, and the average weight is 40 kilos.
Secondly, it is important to talk about the feeding of the conger. It is a predator, which hunts at night and it eats crustaceans, fish, and squids.
As for its reproduction, we must say that the reproduction of the conger is only once. It has external fertilization. This means that they expel the ovules and the sperm, and in the water they join. Congers are oviparous.
The conger usually lives in smaller rocky spaces of deep waters. They stay in their holes during the day and they are active at night when they go hunting. They live in the Caribbean coast during the winter, then they make a long trip to the European coasts.
Finally, we will mention some curiosities. The conger has toxic blood. It turns normal when you cook it or when you warm it.
The conger is the animal which dies in the slowest way when it's killed by humans because congers need to bleed out before sell them.
Thanks for your attention.